Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the second poem of class 10th of book First Flight. The poem is Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. As we know, Robert Frost was an American poet and he depicted the rustic life realistically. In this poem Fire and Ice, poet ये बताते हैं कि word जो है वो fire से ख़त्म हो सकता है या ice से ख़त्म हो सकता है. Now let's start the poem. Some say the word will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tested of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि संसार जो है वो फायर से ख़त्म हो जाएगा, हर तरफ फायर ही फायर होगी. और कुछ कहते हैं कि संसार जो है वो आइस से, हर तरफ जो है वो बर्फ़ जम जाएगी, उससे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. From what I have tested of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Means, poet on the basis of his own experience, he desire and he agrees with those who say that the world will end in fire. For him, fire stands for greed and fury. But if it had to perish twice, means if the word is to end twice, perish means die. If the word is to end twice, अगर हमें दो बार मरना पड़े, the poet knows that there is so much of hatred that it would be sufficient to destroy the world. It would be sufficient to destroy the world in ice. If the sun got so hot that it burst, the world would end in fire. Everything would be reduced to ashes. And if the sun grew colder and colder, it would result in ice age. Then the world would end in fire, end in ice. Ice stands for conflict, insensitivity, coldness, cruelty towards each other, towards animals, intolerance, indifference and rigidity, and of course hatred. If one person is successful in his life, nobody is happy to see that person. अगर कोई person अपनी ईमानदारी से कोई बहुत अच्छी पोस्ट अचीव कर लेता है, तो दूसरे लोग उसकी उस पोस्ट से, उसकी उस अचीवमेंट से खुश नहीं होते. वो ये नहीं सोचते कि हम जो है खुद भी मेहनत करके ईमानदारी से उतना लाइफ में अचीव करें, बल्कि जेलस होते हैं उससे. तो अगर जो है संसार, पोएट वांट्स टू से कि अगर जो है वर्ड फायर और आइस से ख़त्म नहीं होगा, बल्कि लोगों की ऐसी जेलस से, ऐसी ग्रीड से, रिजिडिटी से, इनडिफरेंस से, इनटॉलरेंस से वर्ड जो है वो ज़रूर ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द राइम स्कीम ऑफ द पोएम, in the first stanza the rhyme scheme is A, B and A, A, and in the second stanza the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, A. The rhyme scheme, this rhyme scheme brings out the contrasting ideas of the poem and of the poet very effectively. Thank you so much.